last 3 months, the Sunday School Vocational Center
4 months.
has been closed because the building is unsafe for the for people to conduct the classes. The building is unsafe. So last 3 to 4 months, this thing has been closed. Last month, along with the parents and we went and met the member secretary, and she said that they have tried lot of things, but they are not getting a place to make the to give the they do not have place to start the classes. 15-20 days back, we asked the Honorable Chief Minister for an appointment, because not only he is the Chief Minister, but he is also the Education Minister, and all the buildings, which is the SCRT building or any other building, is coming under him. But even after 20 days, he has not made time of even 10 minutes to meet the parents. And 5 days back, we met even the Honorable, we called up the Honorable Social Welfare Minister and requested him to meet the parents to come to an amicable solution to the problem. But even after 5 days, he has not made time of even 10 minutes to meet the parents.
आमचे मागणी आहा ह्या भुरग्यांक जी घरा 4 म्हयने दवरल्या तांकां खंयच तरी एक एडजस्टमेंट करात. You all are spending so much of money on this purple. Why you all are not spending certain amount for this new structure?
It's coming from the corporate world by way of cash, donations, whatever it is. So it is nearly 30 crores. Can you imagine 30 crores are sent for just for 7-8 days of event? When you attend it Purple Feast, you will come to know what is meant by Purple Feast. It is nothing but event. No care, nothing for the children. Only what they will do, they will give these wheelchairs or whatever it is, and they will take photographs with the chief minister or all dignitaries with these people, with these boys, and very next moment they will forget them.
प्लस साहेब म्हणजे आमी ना
आमकां दुसरे ऑप्शन आसा, जशें की हायकोर्टान वचपाचें या पर्पल फेस्टाकूय प्रोटेस्ट करपाचें आमचे कडेन ऑप्शन आसा. पूण आमी पळया आयज कितें सीएम येता जाल्यार कितें उतर दिता जाल्यार पळया.
मजगती संजय स्कुलाचो चेअरमॅन सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार म्हणटा, कांय जाण एक्टिव्हिस्ट पालकांक वापरून पब्लिसिटी घेवपाक सोदतात. पालकांनी बळी पडचे न्ही, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवन विशय सोडयता.
की जेन्ना पेरंट टिचर्स मिटिंग्स आसता तेन्ना भायले लोक येना, स्कूल पेरंट्स आनी टिचर्स अशें स्वरुपाची ती मिटींग आसता. आमी स्पश्टपणे तांकां सांगलें की आमी भायल्या लोकांक टॉलरेट करचे ना, आमी पेरंट्सा बरोबर उलयतले, पेरंट्स आमचे बरोबर आसा आनी आमी पेरंट्सांक लागून काम करता, स्टुडंट्सांक लागून काम करता. पूण हो राग आनी खंय तरी आपल्याक सेल्फ पब्लिसिटी मेळपा खातीर जे आयज जे कोण थोडे जे दिशाभूल करता पेरंट्साचे, ते एक दुख्ख दिसता की आमी ज्या डायरेक्शनान वता थंय खंय तरी अडथळो हाडपाचें काम करता. म्हणून आयज तुमच्या मुखार आयल्या. आमी कितें प्रयत्न करता, मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या मार्फत आमी प्रयत्न करता, कमिशनर डिसेबिलिटीच्या मार्फत प्रयत्न करता, हे सगळे तुमचे फुडें दवरपाक. आनी हांव पेरंट्सांकूय उलो मारता की कोणाच्या हाजेर दिशाभूल जावचें न्ही. हांगा जे पळय सो कॉल्ड एक्टिव्हिस्ट आसा हे आपले सेल्फ पब्लिसिटीक लागून कितेंय करतले, खंय आमच्या पेरंट्सांक यूज करतले. सो आपलो स्वताचो यूज करून दिनाका. आमी बसुया, आमी कॉन्स्टंटली उलयत आसा. म्हज्या ऑफिसार पेरंट्सा खातीर तातू सराचें आसता, मॅडम आसता. वी आर ऑल अवेलेबल फॉर द स्टुडंट्स आनी पेरंट्स अँड फॉर देअर सर्व्हिस.